I will show you how to crochet herringbone double crochet in rows. Start with a chain with as many loops as you wish, and then we will start in the third loop. So this is the first, second and third, so we skip the two first loops. Yarn over your crochet hook, go inside the third loop, pick up the yarn and pull through. 3 loops on your crochet hook. 1, 2, 3. Take loop 1 under loop 2. Pick up the yarn, pull through the first loop. Pick up the yarn, pull through both loops. Yarn over, go inside the next stitch, pick up the yarn, pull through. Bring the first loop under the second loop. Pick up the yarn, pull through 1 loop. Pick up the yarn, pull through 2 loops. At the end of the row, chain 2. Turn your work and start in the first stitch. The 2 turning loops, chains, that we did in the end, they do not count as a stitch, which means we start in this stitch. So we skip the 2 loops and start in this first stitch. This is 1 row repeat, so you will do the same on all of the other rows as well.